100 feet HDMI cable. CL3 rated, perfect to run in wall installations for clean look. Detachable signal booster adapter. Must connect to HDMI input. Cable is directional. See description. Fully shielded heavy-duty 25 Aruban fluorines. CL3 rated for in-wall installations. High-speed HDMI cable 10. 2 gbps. 340 MHz, supports up to 240 Hz refresh rates and 48-bit deep color. Supports 3D, 4K, Ethernet channel, audio return channel, 1440p and 1080p. Full HD resolution. Dolby TrueHD and DTS-HD master audio. Fully compatible with devices such as LCD, LED, 3D televisions, Blu-ray players, DVD players, PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Xbox 360, Wii U. More. 99. 9% oxygen-free cable for minimum signal degradation, ROHS compliant. Limited lifetime warranty backed up by GearIT, purchase with confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. A little pricey, but the convenience of getting it online was worth it. Great. Used to add additional monitor to surveillance system. Great quality.